we're gonna explore why running and jumping may not be effective if you're looking to lose 50 pounds and more. Also, I'll share with you some alternative exercises you could do to help you lose those weight fast. Running and jumping is an effective way of getting good cardiovascular in. However, it may not be effective for everyone, especially if you have 50 pounds or more to lose. Here's why. Running and jumping could put a lot of pressure on your knees, which in return will cause pain, discomfort, and even injuries. Running and jumping may not be the ideal exercises to burn calories, especially if you have 50 pounds or more to lose. Let's talk about some alternative exercises you could do to help you to lose those weight. Let's talk about low impact exercises that is much easier on the joints, such as swimming, biking, brisk walking, and even strength training. These exercises can help you tone and firm, lose the weight in the fastest way humanly possible. Remember, consistency is the key to losing weight. So find exercises you enjoy that is low impact on the knees and stick with it for the long haul. Until next time, stay fit and healthy. Hey, by the way, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tips and strategies like this.